Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Muiz bin Muhammad and I'm from Tribing S1. Today I will explain about Wien bridge oscillator, which is our first lab in this week 4. Alright, today in this lab session, we are going to design a Wien bridge oscillator with the different frequencies given. Okay, from the circuit, the value of R1 and R2 is same. This is because we neglecting the load effect of OPM. So which is the value of R1 and R2 is 318.31 kilo ohm. Right. So when we look to the result, we get the wave is not smooth as the sinusoidal wave. Okay, now we measure the period. Okay, so we can see the period is 2 is 2.065. If we use formula of frequency, we can get the frequency's value is 284. Alright, this is the second circuit, same design as the previous circuit but different value of resistor. This is because we target in this circuit we can get the frequency is equal to 1 kilohertz. So the value of R1 and R2 is equal to 159.15 kilo ohm. So from the waveform we can see the period is equal to 967.742. If we use the formula of frequency, the frequency is equal to 1.033 kilohertz. So this is same as the previous. We still use the same circuit, but this time our target is to get the frequency equal to 2 kilohertz. So our R1 and R2 value is equal to 79.58 kilo ohm. So from the waveform we can measure the period. The period is equal to 500 microsecond. So we can use the formula of frequency and put this period is equal to 500. So the result will same as our target is equal to 2 kilohertz. In this circuit, our target frequency is equal to 3 kilohertz. So our R or our resistor is equal to 53.05 kilo ohm. From the waveform we can get the period is equal to 406.452. If we take it to the formula frequency, we get the formula is equal to 2.46 kilohertz. So for the frequency of 5 kilohertz, we use the value of R1 and R2 is equal to 21.83 kilo ohm. From the waveform, we can see the period is equal to 283.871. We use the formula of frequency, we get the frequency of this wave is equal to 3.522 kilo. This is the same circuit as previous one, which is this circuit have a 500 frequency, but a little difference here. This is a stabilization amplitude, purpose of to minimize distortion and reduce the output voltage, so it makes the signal or waveform become more smooth. So if we apply this stabilization amplitude to our circuit, which is have a 1 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz, 3 kilohertz and 5 kilohertz frequency, we can see that the waveform become more smoother than before.
Strand
Alright, that's all from me. Thanks for watching and for your support. Thank you.